So, spring planting has started. I had rosemary in here, so I took them out and put them in the ground. This is sage, which I'm going to leave in there. I put potatoes in here. I say I, but my sister came and helped me with the garden yesterday, so it was very nice to have company and help. She helped me put in those potatoes. And then we put those potatoes. So all these square are potatoes. I'm trying onions in grow bags this year because I haven't had any success with them otherwise. So all these are onions. And then we got garlic here, which I planted last October, I think. Or I planted in October, September, something like that. So there's that. Haven't done anything really over with this side of the garden yet. But the asparagus is coming up on here. And then, let's see here. There's one of the rosemaries I planted. And here's the other one. So this is a look at the garden from this angle. And then I worked on this side over here. So I filled in, this is going to be kind of like my little greenhouse. So I started tomato seeds in here. It's been really warm here in my area, but today and tomorrow we kind of got a little bit of a cold front. So it's going to be in the mid-50s with no sunshine. But I'm not really worried. I'm going to continue to fill up these pots with the wood chips so that the moisture stays in, holds it in a little bit better. So some of them are plastic, but I just went ahead and used them just so I could fill them. I didn't have enough clay pots. And then I repotted this. I moved it from the ground because it just was not doing well. Same thing with a grape that I had over there. The grape I had was like right here, and I moved it to right there. And then here we have the arugula that I planted last fall. Some cilantro that popped up this year. And the third rosemary my sister transplanted. So I transplanted 3 rosemaries. Transplanted some potatoes and some onions over there. And then I also transplanted my fig. So I'm wanting to start building up my little orchard over here amongst all these trees. There's a lot of bald spots where trees have fallen over, like right there and there and there. So over here, I put my fig tree because it gets plenty of sun right here. So there's my fig tree. Hopefully it'll do better because it was not doing well at all in the pot that I had it in. And then over here, I planted my very first pecan. I probably will never see this thing give me pecans, but that's okay. That's not the point. The point is to leave something behind. Ooh, had a windy night, and here's one of my grow bags. Anyway, that is what I have going on in the garden. What do you guys have going? What did you guys plant, if anything? I typically don't plant anything until like May, but this year I decided to get a start on it because every year I wait so late and then I don't get the benefits of a longer season. So I'm trying to do everything earlier, even if it's a cold snap like today. I think this will probably be one of our last ones. We might get another one in like Easter. Usually Easter is cold and rainy around here, but that'll be fine too. So let me know down below what you guys have been putting in your gardens. Bye.